Fuck. I should have kept going. Oh well. Fuck. Right, do you think we can use the stairs now without setting off the alarm? Hopefully. Let's just check right here. If I can squeeze through here, this will be my best chance of not getting caught. It's getting tighter and tighter. Oh. Fuck. Oh, bag stuck. Right, gonna have to take the bag off now. Let's continue. Why does it smell like tortilla chips? What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's on the sixth. My bag's on the sixth one. Sixth one down. I am determined to get on a roof today. It's tight up here. How the hell are they making the scaffolding get tighter and tighter each level? I can barely get my body through it now. Before I was getting my bag and my body. There's no way I could get my bag through here. There's a plant there. Hang on, do people live here? Oh shit, that door's open. Fuck, that door's open. Oh, what a timing. That's 11 AM. Oh, slippy roof. Did it. That looks sketchy, I'm not walking on that. Oh fuck, police. Woo! This is sick, this is pretty high for some scaffolding. Hopefully they're not for me. Oh fuck. I really hope they're not for me. There's 2 sirens going off. I think it is a coincidence. Yeah, it sounds like they're heading that way now. Phew! Panic over. Chilling. This is a nice roof. Shit, yeah, people do live in here, fuck. Oh fuck, there's literally people in there, holy shit, there was a girl on her computer, she was facing the other way. Alright, shit, I need to get down. Holy shit, people are hanging their stuff out. I think my bag's on the next level. Uh-oh. Where's my bag? Oh, it's up 2 levels, for fuck's sake. I'm just gonna set off the alarm again. Oh fuck, it's that person. What are they here for? They're not looking at me. I'm going home, fuck this. Whew. Peace.